Okay, so the goal of this video is to find the area of the surface. We are given this vector, and we're given the bounds that u and v go, and this vector is only a function of u and v, so we can use all of this and we can find this area of the surface, whatever it looks like. I can't really imagine what the surface looks like. I could kind of a little bit, because this looks like a plane, right? It looks like some sort of kind of triangle-ish, boxish type of surface, and we want to find the area of it. Okay. Nonetheless said, we can use this formula where A is equal to the double integral over the surface, and then we integrate. What do we integrate? We're integrating the norm of RU cross RV in dA. So we should find the norm of RU cross RV, but first we need to find what RU and RV is. So RU and RV, we'll write them like this. Okay, so everything in here with respect to u, we're taking its derivative. That'll be 1. That'll be minus 3, and that will be 1. Next one, we're going to take everything with respect to v in here. Be 1, 0, and negative 1. Okay, so then we're going to take the cross product of this. So input that in here, and input that in here. 1, negative 3, 1, 1, 0, negative 1. Okay, and then this is going to equal to some vector like this. Okay, so negative 3 times negative 1 is 3. 1 times 0 is 0. Okay, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we go 1 times 0 is 0. And negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Okay, and remember these negatives in here come from the fact that it's a cross product, and that's how it kind of works. And that is how it works. So I'm going to write that vector. Again, I'm just going to call that vector n. And let's write it just in a simplified version real quick. So 3, that's negative 1 minus negative 1, which is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative is 2, and that's 3. Okay, so then if we want norm of n, that means we're going to put all this stuff into the square root and square everything, and that will find the absolute value. So we'll have 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. What is this all going to equal? Okay, 9 plus 9, that's 18. 18 plus 4. Okay, that's what we got. And I'm just going to call this, wow, look at the sound of that. I like it. Square root 22. We're going to leave it like that for now, okay? Because we don't really need to put that in a decimal. There's no point in putting that in a decimal or anything else like that. Just leave it like that for now. That's our integrand, okay? So now we can do our integral. And what is it from? Okay, well, it looks like it's from what? Well, we'll start with the v bound negative 1 to 1. And then u is going to be from 2 to 0, square root 22 du dv. And this is just the same thing as square root 22 times 2 and 1 minus negative 1, which is 4 square root 22. So all of that, this describes the surface of everything. This describes the area of the surface. That's it. That's all it is.
Consider subscribing and liking if you found this video interesting or helpful. Leave a comment. Just leave any comment, just so I could, get this video pushed up in the algorithm.